Hey, Cam, I left my fucking keys at IKEA. We gotta go back. Oh my God. They not there. I'm not supposed to be getting this, but oh my God, man, I gotta get one, bro. I can't get this shit. Why do I have to get this? I ain't finna get that shit, bro. Look, I said I wasn't gonna get the ball, and I still got the motherfucker. Okay, don't. Welcome back to the channel. What am I talking about? Damn.
I gotta put some gas though.
What you gotta do?
Put some gas.
Where?
In my rear.
What's that supposed to mean?
My car.
Okay.
Put some gas in my rear.
Okay.
Car. Rear. Car. I mean, rear. I mean, I don't know. I want to get sucked off.
What? What?
Put it in your.
What? Put your card inside of her.
Okay.
Please remove your card. Please wait while your transaction is being processed.
Okay.
Thank
You have to wait for her to get pregnant to give you your receipt.
Slowly into the wash.
What?
Huh?
What?
None.
Sometime.
Should I just turn it off?
Please.
Alright. You don't know where I'm at. Hey, where we at? Oh, they can see.
Kia.
Say it again.
Kia.
Yeah. Trash, clean paper, or bottles. Which one?
Right.
This clean paper though. Okay, I gotta make the right choice. Yeah, hold this. So this is clean paper, but it's dirty. So I go clean paper, I go.
Trash, man.
We at a different location. I swear to God, if this man here, bro. Because last time I did it, he had too many people. Bro, why do you keep slipping? Oh my God.
Wait, before you do anything, think about your family, man.
What you mean by my family? He keep threatening me.
Go ahead, man.
It's like 8 of them niggas, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go beat the fuck out of one of them and then just run, all right? We gotta make sure none of them niggas catch my eyes, all right? You got me?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Let's go. Bitch. Fuck. Hey, Cam. Hey, bro. I left my fucking keys at IKEA. What the fuck? We gotta go back.
You remember what session it was?
I think so. It was that thing when we was recording. You remember that shit?
Yeah, I think I got it.
Bro, fuck, man. Damn, I had house keys and all that shit on there. Oh, Fucking dumbass, man. Fuck. Tech, you have one fucking job. Damn. Where the fuck did we park?
Over there.
Oh, okay. Let me feel good out here. Left my keys, man. We gotta get my keys. If I don't get my keys, I'm not uploading this vlog. Oh God. So if I find my keys, please leave a like on the video, okay? All right? And this, you should be able to subscribe after this shit. I've never done this shit ever. I didn't do this shit on purpose. It's so fucking accident. We're on a fucking mission. Ah, fuck. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. They not there.
You gonna find it?
No.
Bro,
Where else did we go?
this is all the place to stop there.
Where the fuck are my keys? Fuck is my key? What the fuck is that? Nope.
Oh, but you gotta.
Fuck is
How
my
you gonna get in the house on a thief, bro?
fuck is my keys? Fuck is my fucking keys, dog.
We're back at IKEA, and this man Ted lost his key.
This man think this shit funny, bro.
Oh, where is the next
Check in here, nigga.
Where else did you look?
I swear to God, they weren't there before.
Oh. You made me drive all the way back just because you lost your damn keys. Let's go, bro. What?
Never sweated my balls off that hard. I swear to you.
Nuts sticking to your leg.
What? It's my what?
Is your nuts sticking to your leg?
Nah. Well, we got some good content for today. Yeah. Oh yeah. Good content?
Good content.
Yeah. Bro, like, my fucking heart was beating on my chest hard as fuck. He was like, hey, once I come out your body, you ain't coming back in. That shit was not funny. So I just got out the car. Fuck. Damn, man. Keep fucking up jokes, bro.
Wait, lights are green. The lights are green. Look at it.
So, should I just stay in the car?
Just shut up. Don't say nothing.